Ever thought about living out of a suitcase? It might sound daunting, but it's a lifestyle that's perfectly suited to certain individuals. Whether you're a student, a salesman, a contractor, a globetrotter, or a speaker, living out of a suitcase offers a certain freedom and mobility that's hard to beat. Ease of packing and mobility is perhaps the biggest advantage. With just a suitcase, relocation becomes a breeze, requiring minimal effort and time. There's no need to worry about shipping furniture or other bulky items. Just pack up and go. A suitcase lifestyle also imposes a strict limit on possessions. This can be liberating, forcing you to consider not just the cost, but also the weight and space limitations of your belongings. Any new purchase must be carefully evaluated, as it needs to be space and weight exchanged for an existing item in the suitcase. As for the suitcase itself, a durable choice like a Samsonite can go a long way. Adhering to airline regulations, these suitcases are reliable and practical, standing the test of numerous transatlantic flights. Now, what to bring in this suitcase? A few essentials can make all the difference. A towel is indispensable for hygiene. Go for a medium-sized towel that efficiently dries the body and conserves space. Similarly, essential toiletries like a toothbrush, floss, and a shaving kit are necessary, while others can be bought and discarded as you move. Your footwear and apparel selection should be practical and versatile. A pair of leather boots, dress shoes, and trainers should suffice. Opt for black tennis socks and sets of underwear that pack compactly. Clothing should be versatile, with all items complementing each other. Consider t-shirts or collared shirts, versatile pants, and a sweater. Practical accessories like plastic bags for laundry, a versatile jacket, a hat or umbrella, sunglasses, and a compact sewing kit are also useful. Don't forget multifunctional tools like a Leatherman squirt or Swiss Army knife, along with a small first aid kit. A 1-gallon pressure cooker, stainless steel plate, cup, and a short serrated utility knife can cover your cooking needs. Electronic essentials like a laptop, headphones, and writing supplies can be housed in a small backpack. Lastly, for comfort during sleep, pack a set of bed sheets, a compact pillow, and a fleece liner from a sleeping bag. In summary, living out of a suitcase offers ease of mobility and a liberating limit on possessions. With a carefully curated selection of essentials, you can be ready to go anywhere, anytime, enjoying the freedom and simplicity of a suitcase lifestyle.